Hi YouTube, how's it going? So right now I'm just packing for competition dance tomorrow. I have my solo that I'm competing at I don't know if you guys ever heard, but it's called Bold Dance Competition. So right now I'm just in the process of packing my bag. So I have like a stretch band. I have an extra pair of shorts. I have my actual costume that you guys have probably already seen because I have posted my other dance competition video of my dance that I did for America on Stage. I also have a black bra that has to go underneath, so everything has to be in black. And then my hair is already done, as you guys can see. And then I'm gonna have a shirt probably over my costume. I'm gonna be wearing practically I'm gonna say that I have this that I wear on my foot. This is my contemporary shoe that I wear just over my foot. And then I have some snacks in here. Like I have the trail mix, some Oreos, Ritz crackers, extra junk. I don't know what this is. I don't have a clue what this is, but this is like supposed to go like over your knee or something. I have no idea. A fidget thing, deodorant, a pin from Inferno. What? I'm gonna put that on my bag. Another fidget toy. This one's a butterfly, actually. And this one's a dolphin. And this, I don't know exactly what that is. Something to do with, yeah, it's by like Everlast. So it's like maybe a stretch thing or something. I don't know. Lots of lifesavers. I always need to have good breath. Very, very good breath. Another pack of Oreos. And an Airhead. That's all my stuff. So, that's all I have in here. And I also have some hand sanitizer I don't know if I can use. So that's practically all I have. A pair of these because you never know if you need another one of those. I have like 2 kinds. So trail mix is gonna be a good snack. Oreos are gonna be a good snack as well. I'm not sure if I'm gonna use this anymore that had like a Rice Krispie treat and the Ritz crackers. I might get new, so I might go in garbage. And then like lifesavers. No idea why I'm gonna have that in there. This is like so. I don't know. This is probably all I take in this bag at this point. I got this when I was dancing last summer. So, this is all that I take with me. So I'm gonna put this in my bag. This pin goes on the front of my dance bag. I can put it on one of the lanyard things, or I can put it on my bag. Like my, what you call it? It's a lanyard, but it's a, a medal. There's the words. So I just have a lot of stuff in this bag because who knows? You may need it. And then, yeah, this is what I travel with me when I go to dance comps, when I go to my dance studio. I carry this bag with me for practice. This is my practice bag too. Look at all the medals. That's not what it is. Pins. There. So I went to let's go through them. I went to the Releve last year. I went to Bold, which I'm going this year. So I went 2 years ago, actually. And then I went to 2022 Bold as well. And that's my elite pin from when I was back in elite. And then I just barely added this, which I've had for a long time, Inferno Platinum. So I got a platinum for Inferno, which I'm hoping to win again, but we don't win every time. We have to let some other person, girl or boy, win or whatever. Yeah, my whole thing, I cleaned the whole thing up there. So that's what it looks like at my desk. That's what it looks like too. My bed, that's something else. So, and then I have my plaques, a bear, a dancing plaque, which singing and live and all this extra love. That's what it was. And then a bear that I got from my dad, I think. A plaque of like a medal for my music. And then I've had that for a long time. And then that's my degree-ish, I guess you say, diploma, not degree. I wish it was a degree. It'd been cool if it was. Yeah, I don't know. My walls are something else, but those are all my dance posters that I have at this moment. And then that got painted. The dance thing that got painted. And then that's a record. So there's a lot. An owl thing that's on the window. There you go. I love those blinds. There's no blinds there. The curtains. And then I got that from the fair. We paid somebody to put my name on that when I was a kid. I've had that forever. Lots of stuff. I could go for hours and hours and hours about this room. There's just so much. That'd be an extra long video if I went through all of my stuff one by one. That would be an extra long video. But no, right now we're doing packing for a cup. So I think at this point on, I'm just gonna put this up too. So this has all my organized shoes. So I think to this point on, I'm going to use this one. This 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. This row down from the top. And then I think I'm gonna take these with me because it'll be easy. Something will be easier. So then I'll have shoes to wear when I walk in to the competition. Sorry, that's in the way. So I'll just have these, and then I'll have this on my right foot for my contemporary piece, so it'll look kind of like this here. I'll just show you. See, that's what I'll have on my foot, but it'll be on this shoe that I put on. So there's that, and yeah, so there's those shoes. that I will use. So I will just slip them right in here. Alright, in this second pocket, I have room in here. I'm gonna take some stuff out so I can fit them. All my stuff so I can fit them. That way, I will have a place to put them. So these are the shorts that I will wear underneath. So it'll be like right here. And then, yeah, I don't know. That's practically all this point that I'm gonna use. I'm also going to pack. So I packed some snacks already. I'm actually gonna get some hairspray. One sec. And then I got a hairspray. And then I got this is like for like naturals, like you spray it all over your face after you're done putting your makeup on, which I stay. So I will put that in here as well. So I'll put it in the front pocket. This I'm gonna keep out for just a little bit longer, but it's gonna go right into this pocket. Right in this one. This pocket. So, and then I have some extra, oops, that's my chair. My extra makeup thing that I'll also put in here as well. So I'll put that right in there. And then, so like right now, I'm just gonna spray my hair around really quick. Oh, this is the one that doesn't work. Oh, that's nice. I have another one that I'm gonna have to fix it. It got like jammed or something. So weird. It got like really jammed. It makes me very unhappy. That's not cool. That makes me mad. Anyway, that's it, practically. That's all I'm gonna say. What do you guys usually pack for when you guys do competition? Let me know in the comments. Bye. Love you guys.